Sorry to call you back so suddenly, but here we go again. Time to save the world's CNCs. Handler, give us a quick intelligence briefing. Bring everybody up to speed. 2 weeks ago, deep in the Amazon, we captured a pack of 15 limit switches with their wires. Their leader is El Switcho. Our task is to make him talk. He's gone silent. Egghead, what's your take?
We must find what's under the hood of that robotic CNC parasite. Is he a common open closed or a common closed open?
Anyone here know what the heck Egghead is talking about? Yes, common sense. General, what common sense means? Is it El Switcho's legs? We gotta find out how they're wide. No data sheet. We gotta figure this out before we flip him. Ideas, anyone? Me and Handler, we should probe him. MIH, and talk to us while you're doing it. El Switcho, you better talk. Tell us what your switch is about. Tell us what these little legs you got, how they're wired. He won't talk. Handler, bring me on over. I've talked to Egghead, and I ought to know a little bit about you, Mr. Switcho. I know that lever arm, where it comes down here, we already know that little leg right there, that there is a common. We know that one's a common. It's where that leg came down. If I flip you over, the leg came in there, that's a common. We're already halfway there to wiring you to our CNC, flipping you for our purposes. We'll wire that common always to the ground. The ground, someone like General Arduino. Now, tell us about your other legs here. Is this one normally open or normally closed? Or is this one normally open? Or is it normally closed? Talk, Mr. Switchy. He ain't talking. Take him away, Handler. Use the screws. Let's probe him. Oh, you thought you're so tough. Tell us about your switches, or we're going to use the probes. You don't care? Okay. Let's see how you like this, Mr. Switcho. I've got my dial to test for continuity. I'm going to find out what those little legs are for, like it or not. Right now, if I were to touch my two probes together, that'd make a continuous circuit. That means they're connected. If I remove them, look at those numbers go back to 1. They're not connected. That would be open. This would be closed. Now, all we have to do to test you is put 1 on your common. And we touch 1 to the next pin. It doesn't move. Ah, you already gave it all away, Mr. Switcho. That must mean that circuit there is normally open. That's an open. How do I know it's an open? It's an open because this switch isn't pressed. And when I touch the common to this, it doesn't change. How do I know that? Now watch what happens when I touch your other pin. I bet you anything that when I touch this and this, you're going to find out that one right there is normally closed. Look at those readings change. That's there, normally closed. All right, let's bring in alligator clips. You deserve alligator clips. And I'm going to show everybody what that little lever of yours does. Handler's done a nice job. He hooked the alligator clips up to El Switcho. We got this one hooked to the common. This one hooked to the open. Since that switch is not pressed, we're not getting any current flowing. But if I think I understand you like I know I do, when I push a little sensor, that number is going to change. We're going to close your circuit off. So this is a normally, because it's not pressed, normally open circuit. I press this, it closes the circuit, electricity flows. Now, let's see what happens if I hook this here alligator clip over here. See how those numbers went down? They might even go down more than this. Depends on your particular situation. But the change, that's what we care about, the change that went way down. Right now, electricity's flowing. That means that pin there, that one's normally closed because that switch is not pushed. But if I push this switch, I bet you anything, that's going to go right back up to 1. It's going to go up to 1 because that's going to make it, because this circuit is going to be open then. Looky there. I know everything I need to know about you, Mr. Switcho. With G-Sender and General Arduino now, we can hook you up. We just need to wire you carefully. I bet you anything, G-Sender could use a common and either one of these pins and use a little logic. And he can tell what you're saying, whether that switch is being pressed or not. Your deception is all over. I don't like the smug look on his face. We better hook him up to the 9-volt battery. Have Dr. Volton take a quick look at him. And I say we let Miss Tease have a shot.